What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you don't feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain, check the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come over. If you have the money, can pay. If you don't, ask somebody to bring you to the doctor. And my beautiful viewers and subscribers, remember, Jamaicans, our brothers and sisters, still need help. Guys, I am linking up with somebody over in New York that will be shipping barrel to Jamaica. So as soon as I get more information and where you can send the things or drop off the things, I will give you all those information. And guys, remember, we're still taking donations. And guys, if you don't have any money at all, or if you don't want to donate, I have no problem with that. Because again, as you all hear the other day, people start to call me a thief. And that's why I have never begged any money in my whole entire life. For real, no joke. Because I don't want no one to call me a thief. So if you don't want to put any money or give any money, what you can do to help is watch the videos, like the videos, share the videos, and watch the ads, because this money will be going to Jamaica. I don't know how much money I'll be making for the month of November, but whatever I make with what I put on there will be going to Jamaica too. At least I really want to do four or five families. So if I gain all that plus what I put on there, I want to at least help 5 families in Jamaica if we get back on them foot. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk about Alicia Kim, Boo. And also, guys, I really want to talk about Rumram in the midst. Yeah? And the reason for this conversation is because of a couple phone calls that I have received and a couple messages that I have received. And to all the viewers and subscribers out there, remember, Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV love every one of you, respect every one of you, and respect your opinion, love your opinion, and care about you all. So, my viewers and subscribers, what I really want to talk about is I was talking to a subscriber the other night, and the subscribers have some concern. And I listened to the subscriber and I talked to, the subscribers. And I decided that I want to share a couple things with each and every one of you. One of the main things that the subscriber, and it's not only one subscriber was saying that to me, are viewers too, not only subscriber, viewers. And they said to me that if Kim never come out and said anything about it, nobody would know about it. They said if Kim never come out and said anything about what Boo take from the apartment, nobody would know that Boo take the bed and what he took. One of them said to me that by she coming out and said that Boo take the things, she disrespect Boo. And within myself, as a man, and as a father, and as a I was a husband. Previously, I'm not a husband now. I really want to say these things. with all due respect of every single viewers and subscribers and everyone out there in the real world. Me personally don't see anything that's wrong with what Alicia Kim comes out and did in the video where she was talking about what Boo took. All I get from it, what I get from it, remember, what I get from it, this is my opinion from it, is that Boo leave out the house and leave the things in the house. So there is a bed that she can sleep on and all those things. However, Boo come back and take the things that she have no bed to sleep on. She have the things gone. So now in her brain is she really is by herself. So she cried, and that's in my opinion. Yeah, that's in my opinion. She cried and she make a video. At no time I did see she disrespect Boo. At no time. So the factor of a person is going to beat her down because she make the video and because they think she shouldn't make the video, because if she never make a video, nobody would know that the relationship, but that Boo took the things. But they would know that the relationship is not like before. Yes, guys, so we all have to sit down and look at it where after the man that she married to, the man that she loved, take the things, move and gone. Now she's by herself. She's on her own. So within myself, I'm wondering if people haven't looked at that part of it and say maybe she was feeling down. So she decided to make the video. She is a content creator. Someone said to me that when she made the video to get likes and also to make money. I don't know about that. I wasn't there. I am not Alicia Kim, so I don't know if that's the reason why she made the video. That I don't know. To me is she live her life on social media and she decided to put that out there. However, yes, she did put it out there. She's the one who put it out on the internet. Now, what I notice nobody is really talking about is how long now since she put it out on the internet. We're living in 2025. 2024, she put it out on the internet. I think over here now. Yeah, I think 2024 January, somewhere around the corner, she put it out on the internet. To me to me, in my opinion, she put it on the internet, it goes for a little bit, and that was it. But what nobody is really and truly talking about is how did it get dig up? It reached where it reached because of one content creator. One content creator make it reach where it reached up to today's date. And check this out. I realize that people is blasting Alicia Kim, saying all kind of things about Alicia Kim, but it is only because of one individual, one content creator, Rumram the Chucker. Rumram the Chucker was, as you all know, was looking Alicia Kim. He went into Alicia Kim DM trying to send Alicia Kim messages. He didn't get what he wanted. He did not get what he wanted at all. He did not get the feedback that he was going to be getting. And because he didn't get that, he turned on Alicia Kim and started to beat her left, right, and center. He was the one who started to dig up these things and make these things feel so bad, make these things look so bad. Boo wasn't going to come back out. No, Boo wasn't going to come back out. Boo wasn't going to say ARB. Remember this. Boo always move on. Remember, Boo said that he move on. Boo first video, he said he move on. Boo first video, he says because of what Rumram is saying, caused him to see what was going on wrong in his own relationship. How can you be in your own relationship and because of a content creator make you see what's going on wrong in your relationship? Rumram dig up, just like how I will dig up anything. Rumram dig up it and bring it to the forefront and start to press for 9 months. Rumram press for over 9 months. Rumram press until Boo decided to come out. Nobody is talking about those things. But everybody is chastising Alicia Kim because she make a video saying that Boo take the bed and Boo take that. You have to sit down and look. She's a content creator. Boo is a content creator. She's making content. And again, listen to me good now. Listen to me good. Again, Rumram is a content creator, but what kind of content creator is Rumram? Rumram is a malicious kind of content creator. Rumram make videos, not make videos to show who a person is. He make videos because he didn't get what he want. I bet you, if Alicia Kim did have communicate back to Rumram, up till today's date, you would never see Rumram come out here talking anything about Alicia Kim. If you sit down and realize, as a man who don't know anything about here, sit down and listen to Rumram video that he made the other day after Alicia Kim make a video about here. Rumram said it is a whole video. Now, Rumram, if it is a whole video, what you need to do is you need to go dig up that video and bring forth that video. Look at it this way, my viewers and subscribers. Let's say it's an old video. If it's an old video, you see that sign up in the corner there that says paid promotion. She collects money off that video. I saw her make a video today and it says paid promotion. Now, to Rumram and to all the other people who is bashing Alicia Kim is making her money. She's making her money off these products. While every one of you out there beating her down about she shouldn't post a video, whatever her relationship is, she should have stick out with the man, or she was a gold digger when everybody was saying she was a gold digger, when Boo himself come out and said he's a loving papa. Because even when Rumram was saying that Boo have how much money, Boo didn't have no money. A lot of people that you see in the US who have a business, who running a business. Some of the business you have to make the money. Some of the business you don't make a bunch of money on the business. Sometimes I don't make good money on my business. And sometimes I make thousands of dollars. Thousands of dollars. Because I have a food truck where when it's come on to winter, like now, I only do catering and inside. So the food truck will not go out unless it's a special occasion. And when it's a special occasion, that's some big money right there. Because the snow and all those things. For about 3 to 4 years, we haven't have a lot of snow. So we've been doing good with the food truck. That's what business is. You go up, you come down. You go up, you come down. That's business. So to each and everyone out there who is talking, beating on Alicia Kim, I understand what I say. Me see what I say. Me hear what I say. However, think about this. Celebrities knew about another celebrity. And they still went. Jennifer Lopez. And I can't remember what that guy name. They was together. When they earlier way down. Then they broke up. Then they go back together. And they married. Nika flick or what you call it. Now they divorce. You don't hear nobody talking about it. But why is it that, what is so wrong? What is so bad about Alicia Kim and Boo situation? That's all of you is beating this lady left, right, and center. Every day, every morning, every evening. What is it so bad? I have kids. Yeah, boys and girls. I am a father. I was a husband. I've been in relationships that I haven't in right now. What do you think I do? I'm not going to get up and chastise a woman because we're not together. I lost a lot. And I'm not going to jump and say, oh yeah, I'm on Boo's side because Boo lose money and I lose money. No. I'm here talking on the not on the behalf because Alicia Kim didn't tell me to say A or B. I'm talking as a father and as a man and as a human being. Alicia Kim went into a relationship with a man. The relationship didn't work out. And if some of you out there that is talking would sit down and really think, put yourself in her shoes and say to yourself, well, if I go in a relationship with a man and that man want to divorce me within a year after the marriage, then end up divorce me in the long run, then something must be not right with that relationship or with that man. I wish people would sit down and at least think about what Alicia Kim was going through. Because up till today's date, Alicia Kim have not disrespect Boo. She have not rude to Boo. She haven't called Boo any name. She said, sir, sir, and she says, elder, which Rumram take up it and say, why you call your ex-husband elder? When a woman, when a man, when anybody call you an elder, that is at the highest level, an elder. What I know an elder is an important person, a person that people respect in their community. That's what an elder is. And if you're going to sit down and is going to bash her because she did not accept your DM. She didn't accept anything that you reach out to her. That's the sad part of this situation. She do hear Rumram have a problem because the big up crew, as he said, did not like the video like what Rumram believe. You have to remember, Rumram, whether if one person like the video or two person like the video, she already get paid for that video. That's what you have to realize. Some of those contracts is you get paid, and you get paid depending upon how much viewers and some people view that video. So some of those contracts, you have many different ways of you get paid from it. Sometimes you have to think. You are a man, and if you're going to struggle along with a woman like a sissy, like a bitech. Hold on, bitch, not no e. bitches. If you're going to act in those farms and ways, you get up every day tracing, carrying down, bringing down Alicia Kim. But yet still, when I go and do my work and dig up Boo Pass, you have people telling me about what I shouldn't do and what I should do. Now I want to talk to each and every one of you about me digging up Boo Pass. Now Boo Pass is not a good pass. Boo Pass is messy. Boo Pass is dirty. And I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, I have some things. I have some information. I have some information. I have more information. I have a lot of information that, to be honest with you, some of them cannot go out in this world. Some of them, oh yeah, they're going to be coming. My viewers and subscribers, I'm asking you all this question. See? And I want you to answer me with this question, with what I go ask you. Would you like to know that a cereal, you know what the word cereal mean? Not the cereal that you drink. Cereal, grapes, cereal, K-I-L-L-E-R, out on the loose, running around. Would you like to know that that individual is out there and nobody said nothing? Would you like to know that you live in a community and there's a cereal grapes, a cereal analyvis out there loose in the community, moving around, and nobody tell you about it? In the comment down below if you know that somebody is a cereal grapist and a cereal analyvis lives in your community, if you wouldn't want to tell the authority, if you wouldn't want to tell the rest of people that that person is living in the community, wouldn't you want to? Wouldn't you want to tell somebody? Or wouldn't you like for somebody to let you know that that individual is living where you're living? If you wouldn't want to know, comment down below. If you would want to know, comment down below. My viewers and subscribers. So, my viewers and subscribers, I'm asking you to comment down below if you would like to know that something like that is happening in your community and you say nothing, or nobody said nothing to you and that person lives in your community, a cereal grapist or a cereal analyvis. And the reason why I'm asking that question is people is telling me that I'm going too far. People is telling me that why am I digging up Boo past like that? And the answer for that, you see, the answer for that is I don't like people like Boo. I do not like a guy who abuse woman. I don't like a guy who abuse woman. And I really and truly don't like a guy who grip woman at all. I don't like a guy who disrespect and act like woman is just a piece of meat. Let me say this to you all out there. I love to see them ladies. Yep, oh yeah. I love to see them ladies. I respect seeing them ladies. Most of all, I respect my mother. I respect my mother very, very much. So because of the respect I have for my mother, I carry that same respect for females, for ladies, for women. Because at the end of the day, I'm not saying that all women are angels. No. Some women are worse than a man. Some woman is dangerous. I know that. I'm not a fool. I know that. But if I know that, what should I do? Should I go out and arm all ladies? No. I won't do that. Should I go out and arm all men because men's are dog, as they said? No, I won't do that. But if you, as a man, is a certain kind of man, I'm going to expose you. I am going to find what I need to find, and when I find it, I'm going to put it out there. I don't care how long. You guys have to listen and think. That lady, if that lady, and I'm going to say it this way, if that lady did have the power to call authority and tell authority what I've done to her, allegedly by Boo, way back when, all those things that Boo have done to all the rest of people, he wouldn't have done it. He wouldn't have done it. Have you heard about you bend the tree when it's young? Yes, you bend the tree when it's young. If the tree is growing out of control and it's continued to grow out of control and you not go stop it from growing out of control, that tree is going to grow out of control and cause problem. Hold on a little bit. Did you see in the hurricane, a lady live where she lived? There was a huge tree outside of her house. Very, very huge tree outside her house. She was laying down in her bed when hurricane start blow. And the good Lord, said to her, get up and go look outside. Remember, breeze a blow out there. But the good Lord said, get up and go look outside. She get up, go look outside. What did you see happen? The tree is still on top of her bed. That tree is ginormous. When I say big, you realize you can't see it. That tree was so huge. Now, if she was sitting on the bed, she would die. If she have cut down that tree from it little, she wouldn't have that problem. Because the tree was what mashed down her house. So you know, I see what me I say. You know, get the point. Sometimes you have to cut it before it reach where it reach. Yes, people will say, yes, she should have said something. She never said nothing because, as me say, Kingston 7, no run a puppy in there. Yep. Can let's get up and open him out just so. Big up to all the Kingstonian them. Yeah, man. Big up to each and every Kingstonian. Yeah, man. I used to like live around a puppy in there too, you know. Not live. I used to go around there. But I used to spend all a week or 2 weeks around there. Big up to Spanish Town too. Because I used to spend all the time over there. Yeah, man. I'm not telling you which part though. So the thing is, my viewers and subscribers, people are look upon things one way and now look upon it all different ways. I look upon it every different ways. I was asked, what would I have done if it was me, if I was in Boo's shoes? Let me answer that question. What I would have done, when I get the picture that the friend sent me, and I see how young she is, nope. So when you ask me what would I have done, I wouldn't done anything. Nope, I wouldn't do nothing. Because I wasn't going down that street. So, you can ask me that question anytime you want. That my answer is I wouldn't have done anything because me and her wouldn't be into nothing. At all. Me are telling you that. Because me always I think me not going to jail. Nope. No. And also, another question I was asked. What if it was my daughter? And I tell the individual that if it was my daughter, if I even say something to her, she would be, she has at age, yeah? She at age to make up her own decision. She make her decision. So, why is everybody cursing the mother? The mother didn't do anything. The mother do nothing to nobody. She make up her own decision. Now people cursing the mother, saying, oh, the mother should have this, the mother should have that. How you all know what the mother did? How you all know what the mother said to her? How you don't know that the mother said to her, well, I don't think you should. Oh, how you know? Nobody knows. Because at no point in time, Alicia Kim come and said, well, my mother tell me A, B, C. But everybody is blaming Alicia Kim. Oh, you shouldn't do this, you shouldn't have done that, you shouldn't have this, you shouldn't have that. And nobody, not a lot of people, I wouldn't say nobody, is looking at the part where it was genuine relationship. No, remember, if you all realize, Boo went back in her. Boo was defending her in her. And that's why I'm telling you all that some of you must sit down and really think. When people been bashing Alicia Kim from the day they start to come out, say she a gold digger. When Boo never have nothing. Boo didn't have nothing. But, you know, each to his own. Everybody to their own opinion. One person was saying to me about Boo said, oh yeah, I saw this thing. I don't remember, I saw the headline. Because my viewers and subscribers, let me tell you something. There is some videos out there, some people out there, I don't watch them videos. To be honest, I don't know. There is some content creator out there who's talking about Alex. I never watched some of them videos. Some of them I may watch a little part of it. Some I may look at the title. And I saw a title that says about Boo said Alicia Kim went to the embassy a lot and didn't get through. But he is the only one get her through. No, let me say something about that. Is that something you to discuss, to talk about? Look how much people go to the embassy and never get a visa until they even reach a certain age, then give them the visa. Look how much people go to the embassy and don't get a visa. Once you're married to a citizen of the United States, the only way that can stop you, they can stop you from getting a visa, is if you have a criminal record in your country where you live. Like if you have a criminal record in Jamaica and you cannot clear that criminal record, then you won't even get the opportunity to come, because Jamaican, the embassy of Jamaica want to see a police record. So what does that say? That doesn't say she couldn't get one. Also, you have to remember that many of you don't know that the American embassy have a certain amount of visa to give out each year. Many of you don't know that. Every embassy around the world that is an American embassy have a certain amount of visas to give out every year. Learn that. And this is the reason why. If they give every single person a visa to come in the United States of America, the United States of America will be over jam-packed. Let's say they give every single person in Jamaica a visa. Every single person in Jamaica would be in the United States sometime at one time. Worse when school holiday, everybody want to come. Christmas, everybody want to come. So what are you all saying? Oh, he give her a visa. He didn't give her no visa. He's a part of why she get a visa. It's only make it a little easier. So when you guys is going to use, because she go to the embassy many times and didn't get the visa, and then with Boo she get the visa, sometimes those things that's embarrassing to her. You have to remember what Boo did. That go be in another video. Yeah, that go be in another video. I go make a specific video for that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until next video, I will see you now in the next video. Stay blessed. Enough respect, enough manners. Remember, watch the video. Like the video and share the video. I'm out. Peace. Stay blessed.